So Anora has told me that he would share. He has a lot of stories, but he would share one of his stories with us, one of his funny cricket stories from his playing days. So Nona, go ahead. The floor is all yours. There's no
Okay.
flow here, but still,
Okay.
the audio space, I guess.
So where should I start from? Well, let's start from the initial days. So I'll share three things. So three things. The first thing is that in a society where I used to live in Delhi, so we had three playgrounds. Like two were playgrounds and one was parking lot. So that was ours.
Okay.
So they were like in the way there were three teams the society. So we used to have matches in 2-3 months to declare the champion and all of that. So like different formats we used to come up with. So I was like, when I joined, like I was the younger one and they were seniors and were the captains and everything. And just before shifting to Goa, a year and a half before that, I became the captain of the team. Like I progressed and finally I was the senior
Nice.
most. I grew up and everyone below me were like even the people who were like at the same level of me, they were like, yeah, okay, I'm the captain now. So that's why maybe I relate more to Dhoni. I was very a captain cool, and there were so many the countless matches where and in gully cricket, like if there's only one player left, like everyone's out, the game still goes on. So there are so many matches and we were underdogs. So there were so many matches where I alone single-handedly, all the team is out. We are batting second. We have to scored 18, 100, 110 runs, and I'm alone on the crease and I take it to the end. And there were so many matches like that. And that's why I still love Dhoni. I used to feel like Dhoni during those days.
Guys,
So
you
there was
can't
one
see his
match
expression.
which,
Guys, you can't see his expression. He's literally beaming with pride right now.
yeah.
Like, his cheeks are all red, and he's like talking like this old veteran, like sitting back in his chair.
It is like that.
I just
like,
wish you could see that.
when I came to Goa, so I stopped playing. Like, I stopped going out. So there's not a culture of cricket here, and society doesn't have a field or something.
It's more of a football, right? In Goa, it's more
yeah.
of football. I would
Like
say.
even football, that there's no space in the society. There were no friends in my age group and all of that. So they used to play cricket sometime later, but all that left. Like I used to play 367 days of the year, literally. I used to play like every day. Doesn't matter what. I'll leave at 4 or 5:30 and used to play till 8. So like I was that kind of a boy, and that changed in Goa. Never mind. So like now it feels like those days were so good. So I remember one match. What happened? I was alone at the crease, and there were 2 balls left, and I think we needed 8 runs. So I hit a 6 on the second last ball. 2 runs to go, last ball to go, and I don't know. And I had been in this situation many times.
Okay.
But
okay.
I don't know why, but all my teammates were behind and they're like, "Arey, bro, if you don't even touch the ball, just run, take double runs and all of it." Like, and they just started making this thing. And suddenly, I don't know what happened to me. I thought, I just need 1 run. I think it was 7 runs needed in 2 balls, so I just need 1 run. And it's we win or it's a draw otherwise. And I just need 1 run. So what I did, I thought, I will, even if I don't touch it, I'll run. But what I did, I thought, let him just bowl. As soon as he drops the ball, I'll leave my bat and run out. Okay.
What?
Yeah. I thought that. And I literally did that. The moment the bowler bowled, I dropped my bat and ran. And suddenly I heard noises. And I just turned back and the ball hit the stumps. And I was bowled.
Oh my god. Oh, that was so bad. You
And
should
we
just
lost
trusted
the match,
yourself, Yeah, you should just trusted yourself to like take it home.
Still hurts. It still hurts. I would have easily scored a boundary or taken a run easily, but I just did that. So that was one thing. Then the other thing I want to talk about is that I was so mesmerized and so what do you say? What is that word? Narcissist. That I had my own Excel sheet where I used to put all my numbers, how many centuries I scored, how many 50s, how many runs.
Can you share
And
this with me? Like,
no, I don't. I've deleted it. I don't think I have it.
oh my
There's
god.
no way. I deleted it. I'm like, what nonsense is this? I think when I came to Goa, I'm like, what nonsense was I doing?
Oh
And
my
that also,
god.
I was assuming, like when I started doing it, like I didn't know what had happened, so I just assumed, oh, I have scored 1,000 runs, these many centuries, so I feeded that. And like from that day, I started whenever I scored 50 or sixes, how many sixes, how many fours. We used to count all of that when I used to play, and I used to
How
feed
many people knew this? How many people knew this?
only my father, like only my
Okay, so
family,
now
like no
everyone
one
knows
else.
it though. Now everyone
Okay,
knows
now
it.
everyone can
Because
know, like
this
it doesn't
podcast has so
exist.
many listeners
So,
now.
but that time, oh my god, I was such a fanatic, and I was like, I scored more than Sachin now. I scored more sixes than Dhoni.
Oh my
And I had
god,
a
that is.
different sheet for each playground. Like we had three, right? So for each of them, I have a different. Like in that area, I scored 6. In that area, I scored 100.
Oh my god. This is precious stuff. I never expected this would happen. Like when Nora told me he had some stuff to share, and I was like, I didn't expect this much level, but bro, this is amazing.
Yeah, so I think that was that. And then the third story is in Goa. So Goa, I played inter school from in my I think 8th standard, and I scored like first match. Like the first match we went to play, it got by because the other team had players above the age requirement. So they were, match was cancelled and we were promoted to the next match directly.
Okay.
So we didn't get to play. And the ground, it is like the school is next to me, near my place, and the ground we used to practice, it had stones all over, like pebbles and all of that. So it was not it was a worst thing to practice on, you know. And when we went there, it was all green pitch and all of that, like a good like what do you say? It was like an official one in the like
A
gym
proper
khanas
cricket
like
ground.
that. Yeah, so it's a proper one.
Yeah.
And we went there, so we couldn't even practice that. We asked the officials and all, can we play just for practice? And I said okay. But our teacher said no, let's go. So we had to leave that day. So we went for the next match, and we were playing my ex school. So I was in one school for a year, then I went to this school.
Okay.
So we had to play them, and there were a lot of friends of mine in that team. So we played that game. We I think batted first, and I got to bat. Like someone got out at the end. I got to play 3 balls, and I scored 3 runs. And I was very happy that I could just rotate the strike, and we scored I think 167, something like that. And I
Okay.
was an all rounder.
In how many overs?
Okay,
In how many overs?
it was a
167,
20
how
over
many
match.
overs?
20 over
Okay,
match.
that's good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah.
167.
Go on.
So
Yeah, so you're
it was really good.
all-rounder.
Our captain scored 50, I guess. Yeah, so we were all ready. Now let's go. Let's beat them. There's no
Yeah.
way they can score that. Our best
True,
bowler,
true.
okay, best bowler in the first over. He bowled 9 wide balls.
Oh my
9
god.
wide balls in this first over. Because we were not used to
Okay.
the pitch, right? And we were
Understood,
using the
understood.
seam, so it was just going all the way. There were so many times the wide ball went to 4. The keeper couldn't catch it. Like it was just a disaster. And in that match, at the end of the match, we scored. We gave around 70 extras,
7-0.
7-0 extras. So
Oh
I
my
got the
god.
bowling. So when I got the
Yeah.
bowling, I bowled 3 balls, very good, just 1 run out of it. And everyone was happy. Like I was a bowler who would get 1 or 2 overs maybe, that's it. But after the first 3 balls,
Okay.
the captain was like, "Arey, amazing," was shouting from behind, "Arey, aise." And I was sure now I'll get all 4 overs because I'm bowling the best till now. Then I bowled 9 wide balls in succession. I don't know what happened. After the 3 balls, every ball I bowl with slow, just coming, standing and throwing the ball. I did spin also. I tried everything. It was just wide. And everyone was shouting, just buy Seedhi Dal, Chakka Pade, Chokka Pade. It doesn't matter, but please.
Oh my
And I
god.
was and there was one no ball also, which I knew it's not a no ball, and I told my teammate, umpire is being biased or something. Look at my footsteps. There was no way I'm bowling a no ball. That added pressure over that. And
My
finally,
God.
somehow I finished that over. Didn't get a boundary, thankfully. And then the match just went like, I think within 15 overs, the match was over because of our extras, and they scored
Oh.
runs. So
I guess you guys were not used to that pitch, right? Because of that smooth pitch.
yeah, I think
That probably
we were not
factored in.
angry, but that the way you practice, right? The ball
Hmm.
you should not even bounce where we used to practice on the first
Okay,
very ball.
okay.
So it was no
Understood.
way we could have I
But
think
it's a
even
fun experience, a funny
yeah,
story
it was
also. I
an
like the way how you
experience to
narrated it.
remember. Like
Yeah.
definitely my first official match, and then also I used to go for coaching. Like there was a Goa Cricket Association. They had a coaching camp for
Hmm.
three months. I went there, learned a lot, and we got to play the women's Goan women team. It was a practice
Nice.
match for them. And
Okay.
I think that time we had that Goa Premier League also, IPL kind of thing. And we were the cheerleaders and with the ball boys for the first opening match. So it was fun. But for the match, like I just got to bat one ball. The ball came, I just tried to whack it and I got edge and I got out.
Okay,
And that's it.
still
And
okay, man.
yeah, that's it. And
I-
then the
yeah.
when the bowling happened, our coach came and he was like, "What nonsense did you guys play so bad?" So he just changed the team for the bowling, so they like more people get chance. In the second match, for second practice match, they called other players like a team to play against the women because women team was like, "What the hell was this? It was so easy. This is not practice." But the coaching taught me that. I love fielding more than when you were in gully cricket you were like I don't want to field, I don't want to bat a ball, I want to be in the limelight. But when I started coaching and all, I was like I just want to be on the field. I love fielding. I remember there was a diving catch practice, and this was a competition that whoever loses is out and who stays at the end. And there was a player who was so fit than me, he was so athletic, but sir gave him a small just direct catch, and he was anticipating that he had to dive on either side. So he missed that. He missed that. So now everyone was waiting who will win, and I don't know how that happened, but I won. Like I think I got 9
My
catches
God.
and diving each side. But the next morning
That's great,
my
man.
ribs were hurting. Next morning.
Oh, that's okay. That it was worth it. It was worth it.
Yeah. I think those
Dude,
days were
those
fun,
were some
man.
amazing
Those
stories.
coaching days were so
Yeah.
fun.
I can see you like
Yeah, I
just
think that's it.
reminiscing
That's
in
my
your face.
story.
No, I can see your face. You're just reminiscing old times, and you look really happy talking about all the old stuff. And it's great that you share all these stories because I
Dude,
think I brought the right person.
I was a cricket fanatic, bro. I couldn't live without cricket. And whenever we had to go out during evening time and I would have missed playing cricket, I was so angry. And then I came to Goa and that everything went off. So I remember those days.
It
Like
happens.
just getting that bat, hitting, running after the ball, like all those days.